Imagine this. One room in your building is so hot no matter what you do with the thermostat. You realize that you have to call a repair person to fix the HVAC unit on the roof. Among the maze of HVAC units, you show the repair person the right HVAC unit to fix. They fix the HVAC unit, but it still doesn't work. The room is super hot and you have to send everybody home. They fixed the wrong unit. Nobody's happy. The CEO is not happy, you're not happy, and the repair person's not happy. But hold on, this is where InMapzX comes in for the rescue. Step 1, open the InMapzX app. Step 2, with InMapzX, you can easily pinpoint which HVAC unit controls the problem room. Step 3, no more guessing. InMapzX guides you directly to the unit that needs to be fixed. The result? You save money, time, and the issue is fixed right the first time. InMapzX, your absolute lifesaver. Stay cool, save money, and stay informed.